Well, the state is set to call its second witness in the ongoing Nulane criminal trial in Bloemfontein, but with several of the accused also expected in court with former Free State Agriculture MEC Mosebenzi Zwane in another case tomorrow. It's going to be a shorter third day of proceedings in the state capture matter. It concerns an alleged 25 million rand swindle between the provincial government and Nulane Investments. Let's take you live to our reporter Erin Bates, who spent the day in court. Erin, sum up events today in court and what the focus was.
Yes, Tabikile, that's right. Grilling for Sipiwe Mahlangu of National Treasury, the first witness for the state. He faced cross-examination from counsel for those accused in this matter and had to defend his statement, which provided some analysis on certain documents relating to the agreement between Nulane Investments and the Free State government. Also details of financial flows or transactions to Nulane, 4 tranches that added up to that almost 25 million rand figure.
And Erin, while all of this is playing out, we cannot understate the significance of this being the very first, shall we say, state capture-related prosecution, at least as far as what we heard from those proceedings and how central the Free State is, where you're standing, to some of the drama that's unfolded in the ANC specifically post that era.
Certainly, and Mqondisi Dukwana now being at the helm of the ANC after the provincial conference over the weekend, there's actually an ANC poster behind me, the party's presence in the province palpable here, even right outside court. He, of course, testified at the Zondo Commission on the Free State being a fiefdom, a gangster state, to steal the term in Peter Louis Mayburg's book, which focuses on Ace Magashule and his alleged stranglehold on money in the provincial government. Of course, it's Zwane who relates to some of the evidence around Estina, and this matter concerns a feasibility study preceding that, which was done, but money flows to companies and to a list, a slew of companies the state alleges are linked to the Gupta enterprise or empire globally. And we heard about a company today called Worldwide Window Impex India, which deals in scrap metal, Tembekile, but came up because it approached the Free State government over the Mohuma Mobung project in late 2011, saying congratulations, and we'd like to get involved in a public-private partnership, but before we do so, we think we need to have some due diligence done, and we'd like to pick the company that does it. And that goes, the state's argument, is how Nulane Investments got involved. Iqbal Sharma representing Nulane Investments, his brother-in-law here representing Island Site, another company as part of the Gupta network according to the state. Some of those financial details coming through, very important in terms of the state's work on state capture matters and indeed honing or hounding down the Guptas, but a pity that we cannot give you any live visuals of the testimony of witnesses, that after an order from the judge.
Right. And briefly, Erin, run us through what we can expect tomorrow.
So Thomas Church will be speaking on behalf of Deloitte. He's going to speak about the actual work done on that feasibility study. Get this, Tembekile, 1.5 million rand is apparently what Nulane paid Deloitte to do the grunt work, the donkey's work, on that feasibility study. It, according to the state, made a few tweaks here and there, changed a couple of words, and then handed that over to the Free State government, pocketing the difference.
Erin Bates, live for us in Mangaung. Thank you for that update.